Welcome. In front of me is a OnePlus Nord CE for Lite, and today I will show you how you can capture a screenshot on this phone. So to get started, you will want to open up content that you wish to capture. I'll be using home screen as an example for this. So my home screen, obviously, it's already open and visible. Once your content that you wish to capture is visible on your screen, hold power button and volume down at the same time. You have the sound along with the pop-up, and the first time around you also get this quick instruction that you can also capture your screenshots with a 3-finger swipe down or hold 3 fingers to capture a partial screenshot. Let's select got it. I'm going to capture another screenshot just so we can see the pop-up again, because it was blocked by the notification. So here, once you capture a screenshot, you have the scroll and share options visible. Now, after a moment, this will disappear. As long as it's visible, you can utilize the scrolling screenshot on any content that can be scrolled down on. And for instance, that content would be things like your settings. If I can actually find my settings. So as long as you can scroll down, you can capture a longer version of the screenshot. So if you start from the very top, it would capture everything from here, and then the display would start scrolling slowly, and you can stop at any point and it will just capture a longer version of the screenshot. So anyway, once you have captured your screenshot, you can find it in your Photos application. So I'm going to open that up, and your screenshot will be located in the library under screenshots. Now in here you'll find screenshots and screen recordings. As you can see, there's a screen recording as well. But here's the screenshot that I have captured, and it looks like the first one I actually captured was not taken because of the pop-up for some reason. So there we go. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.